Today I'm going to show you one type of page that you can add to your Schoolwires website, which is called the calendar page. This is a great page to include in your website to let parents know about class events, school and district-wide events, or homework assignments. To begin editing your Schoolwires website, go to the upper right-hand corner and click on Sign In. You will use your regular Windows login in order to access Schoolwires. Once you've signed in, you'll notice the Site Manager button at the top. Click on this to begin editing your Schoolwires website. By default, everyone has a contact page. If you haven't already done so, you need to verify that your contact information is correct. Click on Contact Page. See that your name, position, phone number, and email address are all correct. Make any changes here necessary and select Save. Once your changes have been saved, go under Sites and Channels and find your name. This will bring you back to your dashboard. Now we're going to add the calendar page. Go to New Page, and from the list of available page types, select Calendar Page Default. All pages need to have a name. In this case, I'll just call this Calendar, and press Save. If you'd like to begin adding content to your calendar, but you're not ready for those changes to be shown publicly, you can change the status to inactive right here. This will allow you to see the changes that you're making to your page, but no one will be able to see those changes publicly. When you're ready for anyone to view these changes publicly, change the status back to active. Now to begin adding events to your calendar, click on Calendar. You have a couple of options when trying to add an event. One is to select the New Event button. Your other option is to double-click on the date that you'd like the event to be added to. All events must have an event title, something simple that will let everyone know what the event is. Each event also needs to have a start date and an end date. You do not have to have a start time and an end time, but it's optional. If you would like this to be an all-day event that doesn't have a specified start and end time, select the All-Day box. Verify that you have the correct start date and end date for the event. And in the description box, give parents and students any other additional information about the event that you'd like them to know. If it's a homework assignment, this is a great place to add directions to the homework, as well as to upload a file that parents and students can download, such as the homework assignment itself. To do so, click on the paperclip icon that says Insert File link and browse to find the document from within your computer. Once you've selected the document, click Open and then Continue. Give the link a title. And always make sure that the target is set to Open Link in a new window, and press Insert File. Down here there's a place to select the category of the event. This will color code the event by its category. In this case, I'll select the blue Homework category. You have some other options in these tabs at the top. If this is a reoccurring event, you can select this checkbox and make this event reoccurring. Then specify how often you want the event to occur. If you want people who are registered users of Schoolwires to be able to register for certain times on the day of the event, you can select this box and specify the maximum number of seats. You can select the Location tab in order to specify the location of the event if it's somewhere other than at the school. The Contact tab will allow you to put in contact information for the event. The Post to Calendars tab, if you select this box, you can choose to post this event to the school's calendar. Keep in mind that you will need to contact your principal or team leader and ask them for permission to post this to the school's calendar. They will be able to go in and verify that they want this event posted to their calendar before that is made public. Finally, you can select certain viewers that will be able to view this event. In doing so, only the specified users and groups will be able to see the event. Public users will not be able to see this event. If you've made all the changes to this event that you would like to make, you can select the Create e-alert button if you have parents who have subscribed to your event calendar. This will give them an email notification that you've added a new event. Then you can select Save. You will see this event has been added to the calendar. If you received the email from Marianne a few weeks ago, which included a calendar CSV file, these are all of the academic calendar events for the district. By importing this file, you don't have to add each event individually by hand. If you have saved that CSV file in your computer, go to Import Events and select the Import Events button. Browse to find that file in your computer. It should be called calendar.csv. Select Open and select Next. You're going to have to map a few specific fields for this calendar event. Under Start Date, select Event Date. Under End Date, select End Date. And under Event Title, select Event Title. Then press Next. All of the other ones can stay set to Ignore. Go down to the bottom again and select Next. And finally Import. When you go to your calendar now, you'll notice that all of these district-wide events have been added. By clicking on any of those events, you can add changes that you'd like to make if you wanted to include a description or set a specific color-coded category. However, these changes are optional. Make sure you save before leaving any specific event that you were adding to. If you'd like to preview your Schoolwires website and see what it looks like on the external view, go to the top at the black bar and select the View Website button. This will show you a preview of what parents and students will see. I'm going to click on my new calendar page and just verify that it looks correct. I'm also going to click on my homework assignment event and just verify that I can download the file that I had uploaded and that it's the correct file I had intended to upload. Since the assignment looks like I had uploaded the correct file, I can go back into Site Manager now and continue editing my website. This has been how you add the calendar page to your Schoolwires website. Please view the next video to see how you can add the upcoming events app to your classroom page, which can be tied in directly with the events on your school calendar or your personal classroom calendar.